Hello students, welcome to RS Group of Schools for online classes. Here is Naresh Verma, your English teacher. Today we will study a lesson from prose, lesson number 3, playing the game. That is for class 9th. The lesson has been written by Arthur Mee. He was a British writer, very famous writer. In this lesson, the writer has discussed about a young boy, that is Alan. He had been practicing for cricket match with his father for about a week. After the practice was over, his father commented on him that his son Alan was shaping well. So definitely he would win. And he also promised Alan, if his team won the match, he would provide him a new brand bicycle for that. Next day, Alan was leaving for the playground. When he was on his way, he saw an old man. He was so old that he could not walk properly on the road. He needed somebody's help. And at the same time, Alan reached there. Seeing the condition of the old man, Alan wanted to offer his help to the old man. When he offered his help, the old man very happily received his help. And when Alan was helping the old man crossing the road, he was thinking that the time spent by him while helping the old man, he could recover that time by running. So he will not be late for the cricket match. But the old man was so weak that he was walking very slow. 5 minutes gone, but the old man could not cross even half of the road. And after some time, the old man stumbled over a cobblestone on the way, and he had to take rest for some time. Now Alan was worried because he was getting late. So he started looking for someone up and down. At the same time, he saw a policeman approaching there, and Alan was overjoyed to see the policeman because he could expect that the policeman would help the old man to take him to the destination. When the policeman came near, Alan requested the policeman, and the policeman let Alan go for his match, and the policeman took the responsibility of the old man to take him to his destination. When Alan left the old man, he started running towards the playground as fast as he could. But when Alan reached the playground, he found that someone else had been taken in the place of Alan because Alan was so late. So the coach could not wait for Alan for anymore. And when the coach saw Alan, he was very sorry, and he commented on Alan that you are not a good boy because you are not punctual. You have not reached the playground in time. Alan wanted to tell the reason for his being late, but nobody could listen him. At last, Alan had to return his home, being disappointed, he was walking very slowly towards his home. When he reached his home, his father was waiting for him at the gate. Alan was welcomed warmly by his father with a new brand bicycle. Alan wanted to tell his father that he could not win the match because but in between his father interrupted him and told him that he knew very well about the whole story, what happened to Ellen on the way. He told him that the policeman told his father the whole story, what happened on the way, and so Ellen was an able person to get the prize. He was deserving boy for the prize. He told him that you won, definitely you have won the match, although it was not on the playground. So the story tells us that helping others is better than any other thing in this world. And when the next day Aaron reached his school, he was welcomed. He was cheered by his students in the class with a big round of applause. And he gave a message to the other children that nothing is better than helping others. Thank you very much.